Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 of the display settings you should change on your Xiaomi Pad 5. So in order to change them, we'll need to go to the settings and find display. And from here we can enable or disable few settings to improve our display. So the first one will be the dark mode. I would enable that because it makes screen much more pleasant to look at and it doesn't hurt your eyes as much. The next setting I would say is brightness level, and turn off automatic brightness and do it manually with this slider, because sometimes it's annoying when you get the really dark screen and you can't see anything, and it does sometimes with automatic brightness. Next option will be the reading mode, and make sure to enable that when you're reading, because it will make your eyes don't hurt that much and don't tire your eyes as well when you're reading ebook or something like that. The next option is refresh rate, and I would make sure to enable it to the maximum 120 Hz, because as you can see, the refresh rate and how smooth everything moves on your screen is much better when it's higher. The next option is text size, and I would put it on the second right here, XS, because as you can see right now, we can fit much more stuff on our screen and the text is still visible. So that was 5 of the display settings you should change on your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.